You're 3 weeks into building something. Could be an app, maybe a service, maybe it's a product you're convinced people need. But there's this nagging voice asking, what if nobody actually wants this? Market research answers that question. But professional research can cost thousands. Here are 5 ways to get real answers starting today for free. Start with reviews, and I don't just mean one platform. Google Business Reviews, Amazon, Yelp, Trustpilot, G2, anywhere your target customers are already talking about products or services like yours. Here's the move. Skip the 5 stars. Those people are satisfied. Skip the 1 stars. They're just venting. Go straight to the 3-star reviews. That's where you find gold. Sentences like decent product, but I wish it did this, or good service, but the onboarding was confusing. They're handing you the gaps. They're telling you what's missing, what's frustrating, and they're speaking from their real life experience. And that's language you can lift directly for your marketing. So next up is social media, and Reddit is your best starting point. Find subreddits where your customers are already hanging out. Sort by top. These posts resonated. People upvoted them because they felt personally attacked by the problem. Now scroll down to the comments, that's where it gets specific. Workarounds people have tried, money they've wasted, solutions they're begging for. Here's the thing about Reddit. People are brutally honest there in a way they aren't anywhere else, even in those reviews. No filter, no politeness, just raw frustration you can build a business around. But don't stop there. Facebook groups are also gold mines for niche communities. LinkedIn comments reveal what professionals actually struggle with. TikTok and YouTube comments show you what questions people are asking over and over. Same principle everywhere. Find where your audience already gathers and listen before you build. If you want to see what thorough market research actually looks like, we've got a free library of real market research examples you can reference. These show you exactly how to structure your research, industry analysis, competitive landscape, target customer profiles, the frameworks that actually work. And if you want to go deeper, LivePlan's market research tool pulls industry data, demographic breakdowns, and market size estimates automatically. You just plug in your business type, your location. It gives you everything that would take you hours to piece together manually. Right now, we're running 50% off. Links in the description. So the 4th thing you can do, just ask. DM 10 people, customers, potential customers, people who fit your target profile. Ask one question. When you were deciding to buy, what almost stopped you? That's it. No formal survey, no 20 questions, just that. You'll uncover objections you didn't know existed. Pricing hesitations, confusing messaging, trust issues, things that are costing you sales right now that you could fix tomorrow. And here's a bonus. People like being asked. It makes you memorable. It builds relationships. The intel is almost secondary to the goodwill you're creating. Public records. Census.gov breaks down demographics by zip code, income levels, household size, education. The Bureau of Labor Statistics shows which industries are expanding and which are dying. This is the stuff lenders and investors ask about. Total addressable market, growth trajectories, industry trends. Spend 10 minutes here and you'll have answers most founders just make up on the spot or just don't have. It's not glamorous work, but it's evidence that wins investor and lender meetings and closes your funding rounds. 5 techniques: review mining, social listening, market research examples, direct conversations, and government data. Most of it completely free. All of it doable before dinner. Pick one, run it today, drop what you found in the comments.